Let me clean this pot out. I'm in the trap house. Somebody left the eye on. What the fuck is wrong? See my phone ringing. Shit, it's about a half a zone. So I answer that bitch. Bring the onion on. So I can chop it in half to get the cooking home. These niggas is tripping. I ain't bitching off for nothing. They penny pitching to spend it on nothing. What the fuck you hustling for, my niggas? You ain't gon' stack it up. These niggas be rapping, but I ain't even got enough to make a platinum cut. What the fuck is going on? I don't know what's happening, bro. Hyper than the bitch, I think that's how I got locked up. I told them bitches, let me out because I'm not a con. Locked up and let me out. Locked up, won't let me out. I don't know, my nigga, but I got me a quad cushion after I hit that bush. I'ma be so fucked up. Tell that bitch to come through in her big boy truck. Let me loose and then I go and spill all in the gut. Damn, I'm too real for her. She don't let them scribble up. See that shit right there? I didn't face it. It was scribbled up. Every time you see me, I be like, damn, what the fuck? And every time you see me, you be like, hey, what's up? Oh, we do the jiggling and jiggling on these haters, man. Every time they see me, they be like, is you the fakest, man? Hell no. Keep my mouth closed. That's how I feel about. Every time you see me in the hood, be like, hey, y'all. Hey, dog. Yeah, like a big dog barking, hopping over the fence. Starting out to start shit. I don't even know, but these people can't finish it. So I slap up the finish face and make him look who really is. I don't even know, but I know that they're not the realest, my nigga. Every time I get on the beat, I just kill it, my nigga. Hey, Trill fam, those are my niggas, my niggas. Shout out to my niggas who get me like I be trying to get it. These niggas already know. Every time I hit the dough, yeah, I be fresh, like from my scalp to my toe. Every time you see me, I be looking so clean. Every time you see my bitch, wanna mug hurt me. I don't give a fuck about nothing, though. I slap them up and send them down. I don't know, but shit, I send them round. Tell them hold the tongue down. Throw a quad of kush with me, not some big bush with me. They gon' see bush with me. I don't give a fuck, though. You know how I am, huh? Tell Barack Obama to do what he can, though. I don't even know he trying to make change. Same thing I'm doing in the street, trying to make change. Hot dang, where my motherfucking color set? Still ain't seen the Bentley, that's why I'm driving my bucket, man. Every time you see me, though, I'm fresh like my damn goes. When you see my shit at the top, you be like, damn, oh. Every time you see me, I be looking cheesy. Every time you see my eyes, lower than the concrete. Higher than a motherfucking pilot up in a jet. Still doing my thing in the project, selling packs. Everybody want it, you can get it, I ain't tripping, bitch. Eyebrows look like they arch, but I ain't did shit. You already know about me, gutter than the other man. Anybody say something different, I go and slang. Yeah, I'm a G, bitch. Do not give a fuck. 10th Street, out east, MOB, what it be. You can take this on Facebook and let the world see, cause I don't give a fuck about shit, bitch. Come and see me. 1000 miles.